Yes, good afternoon children. Hope everyone is fine, I think so. So today let us have textual exercises for 10th standard of lesson 1. Okay, textual exercises of lesson 1 for 10th standard. So children, take out your textbook, go to vocabulary, and in vocabulary you can see here, look at the list of the adjectives given below in the box. Which of them describe Nick Vujicic? So which words will describe Nick Vujicic? You need to tick that word. Okay, so here positive, cowardly, arrogant is given. So what sort of a man was Nick? Positive attitude. So you have to take positive here. Then next one, negative, courageous, sarcastic. So what you have to take, Nana, here is a courageous man, because even though he doesn't have upper limbs and lower limbs, he decided to lead his life. Okay. The next one, optimistic, reliable, quarrelsome. Here we can take two words. One is optimistic and one is reliable. The next one, pessimistic, independent, rude. So you can tick independent, okay children, because he wants to lead an independent life. The next one, generous, dependent, creative. So two words again here. Okay, he is very generous, kind in nature, and creative thinking. So two words you can take here. The next one, nervous, obedient, stubborn. So he is an obedient child to his parents. Okay, so you can take obedient. The next one, confident, trusting, lazy. So you have to take two words here, that is confident and trusting. The next one, smart, valiant, pompous. So the word smart you need to tick it. Okay. Then next one, sociable, self-centered, level-headed. Again here you will get two words. One is sociable and level-headed. See children, next bit, that is like pick out from the text the examples that support these attributes. So serial number 1, attribute and example from the text. For the attribute you have to take the example from the text. So first one is given positive. In spite of his disability, he has become great. So positive, what is positive thinking? In spite of his disability also, he has become great. Okay, he has become a great speaker now. Then now, second one you can take virgin. I have written here. Second one you can take virgin. So Nick has chosen to remain a virgin until marriage. So he decided to be a virgin till he gets marriage. Okay, till he gets married, he want to be like a virgin. Okay children. The next one you can take endurance. Endurance means stamina. So despite the risk of bullying, Nick attended the mainstream school. So despite the risk of bullying, Nick attended the mainstream school. Even though like what parents were like, he was not interested, but parents were insisting him to join in that school. The next, perseverance. Nick also, so you can take next word, perseverance. Nick also plays what, ma? Nick also plays golf. Nick also plays golf with a club. With a club tucked under his chin. Tucked under his chin. So how he used to hold that? He used to tuck under his chin. Okay. The next one. Next word you can take, fifth one, as courage. What is the word you can take, ma? Courage. So what do you mean by courage here? Which sentence you can, like Nick learned how to swim with the help of his father. Okay, when he was 18 months old, his father put him in the water. Okay, so at the time he learned. So this shows his courage. Okay, so Nick learned how to swim with the help of his father. With the help of his father. Okay, with the help of his father. Okay, Nana, with the help of his father. So courage means what? Nick learned how to swim with the help of his father. The next one, sixth one, you can take it as depression. What is the word you can take? He went into depression, no? So you can take the word depression. Sixth one you can take depression. Sixth one you can take the word depression. So what you can take? Nick wanted to kill himself. So when he went to depression, he decided to kill himself, and he went to his mother and told her that I wanted to kill myself. Okay, depression means what? You can take here, Nick wanted to kill himself. Nick wanted to kill himself. Nick wanted to kill himself. Okay. Then seventh one, what you can take, ma? Seventh one, bitter and cold. Okay. You can take bitter and cold. Okay, children. You can take bitter and cold. So Nick hated God. Okay. Nick hated God. Nick hated God for doing this to him. For doing this to him. Nick hated God for doing this to him. Okay, children. The next one, seventh one. I'm going to erase all this. The next seventh one. Seventh one, you can take thankful. Okay, you can take the word thankful, gratitude. So see here. Next word you can take thankful. Thankful. So Nick decided to be thankful. Nick decided to be thankful. Nick decided to be thankful for what he does have. For what he does have. So what in the lesson we come across with this, okay? Like what? He loved what he had, but he doesn't bother about what he don't have, okay? Have. Not get angry about what he doesn't. About what he doesn't. Okay, children? He's not getting angry about what he doesn't have. Okay? The next one you can take attitude, ma. Next one what you can take? Attitude. Next one you can take attitude. Okay? So attitude here, concentrate on somebody with the beauty of my eyes. So concentrate on something with the beauty of my eyes. With the beauty of my eyes. With the beauty of my eyes. That can never be taken away. That can never be taken away. That can never be taken away. Okay, children? Okay? So these are the words which we have written, attributes, and also it gives meaning, example for the text. Okay? So now go to second bit, ma. Tick the word or expression which is nearest in meaning to the word. Underline in each sentence given below. Water sports aren't Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin. So tucked means what it gives? He kept under his chin. So take the option kept, Nana. A option you have to take. Okay. Then second one, his distraught mother couldn't bring herself to told him until he was 4 months old. Distraught means what? Anxious or worried mother. So here the word anxious is there. So you need to take anxious. Okay. The next one, despite the risk of bullying, his parents insisted on Nick's attending mainstream. So humiliation. Humiliation means felt ashamed. Okay. Like, right. Bullying means what? Humiliation. The next one, children. Fourth one. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. Mobility means, I told you, to take him from one place to another place. That means move. So what is the word you have to tick, Nana? Movement. Okay. Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Adversity means difficult situation. I told you. So difficulties. Difficulties. Sixth one, the challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. So what is the meaning of convictions? Beliefs or opinion. Beliefs. The next one, Nana. Third bit you see. Read the following descriptions about persons and fill in the blanks with the words that match with these descriptions. Okay, children. So now what you have to do is you have to write the words. So first one, Ashok is a very unpleasant and rude fellow. I don't talk to him. He is boorish. So first one is what, ma? Boorish. The first word is boorish. In the box spellings are there. Yes, children. First one is what? Boorish. B-O-O-R-I-S-H. First one is boorish. Okay. Then second one you see, Srinu is very confident, elegant and polite. But sometimes he does not appear to be sincere. He is so. S-A-U-V-E. So means polite, charming, confident. Okay. Sorry. S-U-A-V-E. S-U-A-V-E. So. The next one. Sujata is quiet and calm. She doesn't like to spend time with others. She is interested in her thoughts and feelings. So she is an introvert. She is an introvert. Okay, children? She is an introvert. The next fourth one. Ramesh is very sensitive. He always shows sympathy for people who are suffering. He is what? Compassionate. Means showing mercy. So he is compassionate. What is the meaning of compassionate? Showing mercy. The next one. My neighbor is such a person that he has a feeling of hatred for others. He desires to hurt others' feeling. He is malicious. Okay. Those who plays with others